All right, Jimmy, are there going to be any left for us? Wow! Hey everybody, welcome to Healthy Mom, Happy Family. Erin here, and today we are making one of our favorite recipes, chocolate chip cookies that are so nutritious you can eat them for breakfast.
Yay!
Yes! They're rich in protein, they're low in added sugar, but they are what, guys? Delicious, right?
Are they bananas?
They do have bananas in them. Yeah, the secret ingredient. You told everybody it's the secret ingredient.
Hello?
Hello? Who's calling? Oh, it's the cookie police. They're saying they're too good. They can't believe how good they are.
Wow.
All right, so all you need to make these delicious cookies are a few things. Banana, Greek yogurt, egg, salt,
Flour.
baking powder, flour, and of course,
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chips, everyone's favorite. All right, so really simple. You're gonna see how easy these are to make. Yes, Emily needs some more chocolate chips, so while we make them, here you go. All right, we are gonna start with our liquid ingredients or soft ingredients. Who wants to peel the banana? All right, get it started for us. We're gonna peel the banana.
Can I have a little bit more?
Yeah, you can.
A little bit more?
Go ahead, right there. All right.
This banana has
It's okay,
little
Pass
bit
it
more
first.
chocolate
So
chips
you're just gonna, sure. We're gonna break the banana in half and throw it in, okay? Then we are going to simply add in 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. All right, so we're gonna mix that in.
not going there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add in 1 egg. So Joey's gonna go ahead, dump that egg in. So the Greek yogurt here is in replacement of the traditional amount of butter you would put in the cookies. The banana is actually in replacement of added sugar. And then the egg, of course, gives protein and structure. So we got all of our liquid ingredients in. Now we are going to blend this up. Then we will add our dry ingredients and we will have a cookie dough that has no added sugar, is rich in fiber, and is delicious. And the only added sugar in this recipe is coming from the chocolate chips. So you can choose how many you want to add. Easy peasy. Okay. All right, so now we have our liquid ingredients blended,
Hey.
and we are going to be adding in our dry ingredients. Okay, no fighting over the chocolate chips. We're gonna put in the salt. You wanna dump the salt in? You dump the baking powder in. It's 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Good job. No fingers in it. All right, there we go. And then it is 1 cup oat flour. Now, wait, Joe, we gotta use a spoon and do it careful. All right, hold on, Emily. Yeah, you can do it here. Smooth it, spoon it in. Spoon it in. There we go. All right. And now we are gonna blend that up to finish our dough. All right, come back. All right, so you can see here we have our delicious chocolate chip cookie dough. So the only thing left to add is chocolate chippies. Woo! All right, so you can put in anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, really up to you, depending on how many chocolate chips your family would like. You can even go with low sugar chocolate chips if that's important to you, but we just use regular dark chocolate chips. And we're just gonna pulse this in the food processor so it's mixed evenly. And then we're gonna put these right on a cookie sheet, pop them in the oven, and in a few minutes we are gonna have delicious, high protein, low sugar cookies that everybody loves. All right. Okay, good. All right, so you can see here, this is our chocolate chip cookie dough. We're gonna get our cookie tray, we're gonna put these on the pan, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven. Are you ready? Everybody, we got our spoons ready?
Yeah.
Spoons ready. Okay, spoons up. You simply take a tablespoon, you scoop it, and you plop it onto the parchment paper. Yes, go for it.
So.
Nice scoop. Make sure you get a little more. You want a nice size cookie. Emily, it's raw cookie dough. We can't let you try it yet, okay? That's good. You put it, just space it out. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna add a little more. All right, so we are gonna scoop this out onto the tray. Then once they are all out, we are gonna pop it in the oven and bake them, and then we will come back to show you how delicious they look. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, so you can see here, we have our cookies on the tray. They look incredible. And we are gonna put these right into the oven, bake them, and come back and see how delicious they taste. Guys, look what I have. Whoa, don't those look good? Who wants a cookie? So we put these in the oven for about 18 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we have delicious chocolate chip cookies. What do we think?
Thank you.
Are they good? All right, who gives it a thumbs up? Okay, and the best part, we can eat them for breakfast. Yes, that's what's so fun about these. They're nutritious, they're delicious, and they're so good for you. You can eat them for breakfast. So if you want the recipe, I will have it below. I will link to it. So feel free to grab it, and you are gonna love these. And you can make them in advance. You can keep them in the refrigerator for up to a week, so you can have cookies all week long. And don't forget, if you like today's video, make sure to subscribe so you never miss new tips, tricks, and recipes. Thanks for joining us. Bye.